Hi guys, so today we will discuss about Boom Crypto Market, which is the new platform. So what is Boom Crypto Market is actually providing or giving us. As we all know, the rate in crypto market has grown very much in last few years. So many people, investor, traders are involving in cryptocurrency, but here also present scams and frauds. To eliminate the scams and frauds, Boom Crypto Market has improved their contracts. So by this you can understand that Boom Crypto Market is actually aiming to eliminate the scam and fraud from the system, because due to the fraud and fraud and scam, the system reputation is very uh, weak now, very bad now. So Boom Crypto Market is providing us trust, and they eliminate our trust issues, and they also providing many features like marketplace is a place where a person finds intends to find two things, which is the information of the asset, which can be used to detect or to predict the price of the and the value of the coin, and to do or to start trading. And the second one is that the Boom Crypto Market will provide you the accurate information of the assets. Marketplace is a place where buyers can buy product and services, and sellers can sell their product and services without losing their money, because Boom Crypto Market provide them the contract which is very smart, that nobody can do scams with each other in cases of assets. So the second one is AMM tracking, automated market making tracking, which is also used by the traders or investors to do search for the total and circulating supply of the token, or the token price, token details. Anything can be seen from AMM tracking, and can this information is used to detect the price of the coin, as we all know. So AMM tracking is also improved in the Boom Crypto Market. The next one, as we all know, is it is DeFi based blockchain, which is also connect the assets to BSC by BSC blockchain, and also to the Ethereum blockchain. For example, if a user is trying to search an asset which is present in the Ethereum blockchain, and as BCM is uh, BSC based blockchain, so the asset present in the Ethereum blockchain can also be found easily, and it is discussed here. A platform built on BSC and also interacts with the Ethereum network. So, as I have told you about staking, marketplace, AMM tracking, DeFi. So I forgot to discuss about staking. So in BCM we can use our BCM token to do staking, and we will get the rewards in the form of BUSD, BNB, which will who which will also be proportional to the BCM token value. So what they are providing us, as I have told you already, here we can see the cryptocurrency counter, tokenomics, buy and sell services they are also providing us. As I told you, currency swapping, like we can do fiat to currency and currency to fiat, currency to fiat easily. So we can do staking here, can trust is the main issue here, like peoples can't afford it. So trust is the main thing which is BCM is providing us. We can see that the roadmap of them. So in future we can see what they are aiming. Here we can see audits and reports, useful links, home, about us, services, anything, email. We can contact them on Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram. So here is the marketplace, which is looks like Fiverr. For example, if we want to find some job, we can type in here job title or keywords, so we can see that how many people are applied for job posted, task posted, and how many freelancers are working in here. It is like, sorry for the notification, it is like a demo now, but in few time they will make it official, which will be used to find by product and services like web software, sales and marketing, graphic design, digital marketing, education training, writing and translation, and many other by products and services can be bought here. So boom crypto market, hard cap is 900 bnb, soft cap is 300 bnb, total supply is 1 lakh bcm. 1 bcm is currently is equal to 10 BUSD. Their pre-sale is already started. IDO is already started, or they may be started on 1st April. The Boom BCM is already listed on two exchanges, Goose app and Pancake Swap. So we can do trading from 1st April. It is already now 15 April now. Okay guys, maybe you like the video or information. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel, like the video and make a comment on my video. Okay.